Andrew Edgar with Structured. We're an IT VAR and a hybrid solution integrator for cloud services. And we've been in business for 22 years. And I've started building a managed service business, and we've been working with Asigra over the past several years as one of our key vendors to accomplish that. It started several years ago. We were entertaining a project for a client, and they were looking for something different. And in fact, we reached out to Mark Stamer in Portland, one of my consultants did, and he introduced us to Asigra. We didn't know who it was, and so we started investigating the platform and the solution it provided. And we were very intrigued with what it could do, how it could do it, the multi-tenancy capability. It's definitely geared toward a service provider. This particular company was a service provider, so it just kind of led to other things, and we started a relationship with Asigra. We've been pretty excited about it. Well, we represent a variety of other platforms, so I can't say from a managed service provider platform perspective, we really just went after Asigra as we felt that it was the best in the business, but we've worked with eVault, i365, eFolder. We just didn't see those as enterprise class or provided the ecosystem and the kind of partner enabling tools, et cetera, that Asigra provided. So we didn't look at those as the ones we wanted to pick. I also learned from attending conferences in the past of some of the failures from other presenters, so we felt very secure in making the investment and decisions we have with Asigra. Well, I think Asigra just gives us a lot of flexibility in how we can deliver solutions both on-prem and in our cloud. And so I think the platform itself helps differentiate how we can do it and then provide specialization into the different verticals that we sell into. So again, I think the platform itself has really helped us to differentiate our value add. And I have the different licensing types as well, has been very helpful in helping us address some of those pricing concerns we run into. Asigra provides a great opportunity for us to address multi-platform. We have a variety of clients with mixed operating systems, lots of locations, so distributed businesses. So Asigra has been great, and that's been, I think, a huge decision for us to work with Asigra is because of its diversity and ability to adapt in remote office scenarios to data center operations. Well, the key things of some of the advantages that I've seen with Asigra that we've recognized is, Asigra's always marketed to us recovery. But I think the key things that we've seen that the competition doesn't do is the ability to authenticate a backup. And so with Asigra, we're able to validate our ability to recover. And I think that's a huge differentiator for our clients, along with other features in the virtualization space, platform diversity. I mean, all those things have really driven some great benefits for our clients. So we've been a service provider with Structured for about a year. When it comes to recoveries, we've had some on-prem clients so prior to becoming a service provider, we have a couple large private cloud clients, and they've certainly had to perform a variety of recoveries. And we've proven that the product works as advertised, and we've had to do some complex recoveries. We've even had some data corrupted by bad storage, and we've watched the platform recover 80% of the data, which is amazing. Anything else on the market would have been zero recovery. So we are very prideful of the technology platform with Asigra and its ability to do data recoveries. I think customers would pick Structured as their solution provider for a private cloud or a public cloud because after 22 years being a VAR, being in the storage business, networking business, security business, we are exceptional at IT infrastructure. And the infrastructure that we've created, how it's managed, how carefully we've selected the technology, the brand of the infrastructure behind the Asigra is exceptional. So we've selected enterprise class technologies that we're very comfortable with. We have amazing SLAs with our vendors. So we build the stuff that we build for our clients. Asigra is very, I think, unique in how they approach partnerships with their partners. And I haven't really seen it in probably anyone else, but I think they provide not only the platform, but I call it more of a franchise for their partners as it relates to marketing tools, sales enablement. So, one of the reasons I've come out to this event, this is I think my 5th summit, is because of the content that they provide. It's exceptional. So I've made a lot of great relationships, but I've never worked with a manufacturer, ISV like Asigra, that is really that mindful of how they help us succeed. Well, I think, we did POCs. I mean, we've looked at the technology before we made any decisions. We tested it, we validated it, we tried to break it, we looked at recovery. It definitely does the things they say it can do. So I think people that are picking it, yeah, they have to compare and contrast it like everything else. When we've picked that for our clients, for on-prem solutions, we compare it and contrast it against Commvault, NetBackup, EMC solutions. And Asigra came out, on top because it was the right solution based on customer requirements. So I look at each one just like that. What are the requirements? What are they trying to solve? And how does this technology platform uniquely align to those business requirements?